If your app won't open and points to the mfc100 Unicode DLL, the fix is closer than you think. I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows support specialist, and let's get you back to work. This DLL file is the Unicode version of the Microsoft Foundation class library for Visual Studio 2010. It enables legacy C++ applications to support international character sets and display text correctly across different global languages. Now that you're up to speed on the file's role, let's begin the repair process. The fastest way to fix this is to reinstall Microsoft Visual C++. Head to Microsoft, download the x86 and x64 Visual C++ redistributable installers, and run them. If a standard reinstallation doesn't restore the library, we need to verify if the system environment is properly recognizing the new components. A full system restart ensures that no background processes are currently locking the mfc100 Unicode file. A fresh boot allows Windows to reinitialize its library map from a clean state. Take a second to bookmark this page, or hit the like button before restarting. That way, you can easily resume this guide once your system has finished rebooting. A brief word of caution: not all solutions found online adhere to professional security standards. Ensure your PC remains under warranty and functional by avoiding the manual manipulation of high-level library files like the mfc100 Unicode DLL. To support your system's overall health without the complexity of manual directory management, a maintenance utility is a solid option. If background initialization issues occur, the link in the description provides maintenance information related to the mfc100 Unicode. Thank you for trusting us with your system repair today. For more configuration tips and Microsoft Visual C++ error resolutions, don't forget to like and subscribe.